In this video, we're breaking down 9 worst pickup trucks to buy right now, based on reported owner complaints, reliability data from Consumer Reports, recalls, and real-world mechanical issues. This is not brand hate. Every manufacturer builds great vehicles, but some specific models and engines, they're expensive headaches waiting to happen. Let's get into it. 1. Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 has always been praised for comfort. The ride is smooth, the interior feels premium. On paper, it looks like a luxury truck, but ownership experience tells a different story. Common complaints include infotainment screens freezing or going completely blank, in-car electronics randomly glitching, exhaust manifold leaks, and if you're looking at the newer models with the Hurricane inline-6 engine, things get more complicated. Owners have reported thermostat glitches, computer programming issues, rough or confused shifting. When a truck starts acting like a buggy laptop, that's not a good sign, especially when you're paying $45,000 to $65,000. It's frustrating because the truck drives beautifully. It feels refined, quiet, comfortable, but reliability isn't about how good it feels during a 15-minute test drive. It's about how it behaves on a random Tuesday morning when you're already late for work, and that's where some owners feel let down. 2. Toyota Tundra, 2022 to 2024. This one surprises a lot of people. The Toyota Tundra historically has been a reliability icon. Older V8 models were nearly indestructible, but the 2022 redesign introduced a twin-turbo V6, and things went wrong. There was a massive recall due to machining debris left inside the engine during production. Yes, debris inside the engine. That led to complete engine failures in some cases. Other complaints include wind noise from mirrors, cracked plastic on seat bases, glitchy infotainment systems. For a truck often priced between $50,000 to $70,000, buyers expect tighter quality control. Toyota usually gets it right, but this generation had a rough start. And when a brand known for bulletproof reliability stumbles, people notice. 3. Ford F-150 Hybrid Power Boost. The standard Ford F-150 is generally solid, but the Power Boost Hybrid version, that's a different story. Consumer Reports specifically flagged the hybrid model as a major reliability concern. Reported issues include electrical system failures, transmission shifting problems, turbo engine cam phaser noises, sudden loss of power. Hybrid systems are complex. When something fails, it's not a cheap fix. And when you're mixing turbocharging with hybrid tech in a heavy-duty truck, there are more points of failure. It's impressive engineering, no doubt, but complexity increases risk, and early adopters sometimes end up paying for that innovation. 4. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 6.2-liter V8. Let's be specific here. The problem is mainly with the 6.2-liter V8 version of the Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This engine was subject to a nationwide stop sale due to risks of catastrophic engine failure. That's serious. Common complaints include lifter failures, severe engine vibration, electrical glitches with gauges, USB ports randomly failing. The 6.2-liter V8 is marketed as the premium performance engine. But when premium turns into potential engine replacement, that's painful. Engine replacements are not small repairs. We're talking thousands of dollars, sometimes over $10,000 depending on warranty coverage. That's not an inconvenience. That's financial stress. 5. Chevrolet Colorado/GMC Canyon 2023 redesign. The Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon are basically near twins. They were redesigned in 2023. New look, new tech, more aggressive styling, but software quality issues hit hard. There was even a temporary sales halt because of system problems. Common complaints, infotainment screens that won't turn off, dead batteries, rough shifting 8-speed transmission, software crashes. Imagine this. You buy a brand new truck, you're excited. You park it at night. Next morning, dead battery. That excitement disappears quickly. When trucks start behaving like beta test software, that's a red flag. 6. Toyota Tacoma 2024 redesign. The Toyota Tacoma is legendary for reliability, especially older models. But the 2024 redesign has had early production issues. Some owners reported complete transmission failures under 2,000 miles, hard shifting, Solar convergence issues. Solar convergence means plastic trim on mirrors or hood scoops melting under direct sunlight. That sounds unreal, but multiple early reports exist. Now, early production issues sometimes get corrected, but if you're buying the first model year of a major redesign, you're essentially the test driver, and test drivers carry risk. Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator looks amazing. It has real off-road credibility, but it's notorious for something called the death wobble. That's violent front-end shaking after hitting bumps at highway speeds, not slight vibration. Violent shaking. Other issues include leaking removable roofs, electrical gremlins, start-stop system malfunctions, manual transmission clutch plate pressure failures, even fire risk in some cases. For an off-road truck, durability should be the strongest quality. Instead, reliability rankings consistently place it near the bottom. Style and capability matter, but dependability matters more. Now let's talk electric. Electric trucks promise innovation, instant torque, futuristic tech, but early-stage products often come with growing pains. 8. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is bold, unique, polarizing, but early owners have reported extremely poor outward visibility, weak rearview mirror effectiveness, recalls for unintended acceleration due to pedal pad issues, exterior trim pieces detaching, tailgates failing to secure properly. When exterior panels start coming loose on a $60,000 plus vehicle, that's concerning. Build quality consistency has been a long-running criticism of Tesla. Radical design increases production complexity, and complex production increases the chance of inconsistencies. Early adoption looks exciting online. Living with first batch production flaws, that's a different experience. 9. Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T impressed many reviewers with performance and innovation, but reliability rankings from Consumer Reports placed it near the bottom. Reported issues include onboard charger failures, excessive battery drain when parked, leaky cabin seals, software glitches. Rivian is a newer company, and new manufacturers face scaling challenges. But when you're paying $70,000 to $90,000, expectations are very high. EV repairs are not always simple mechanical fixes. They often require specialized diagnostics, software updates, or module replacements, and that can mean longer waiting times and higher costs. Innovation is exciting, but durability is what keeps ownership stress-free. And that's the difference between a truck that impresses on day one and one that earns trust over years. Before someone says, every truck has problems. Yes, that's true. No vehicle is perfect. But the difference is frequency and severity. Occasional minor issues, normal. Engine failures, transmission replacements, stop sale orders, fire risk recalls, that's not normal. What you should do instead. If you're shopping for a truck, avoid first model year redesigns. Check recall history. Look at reliability ratings from independent sources like Consumer Reports. Search owner forms for real long-term complaints. Consider proven older engines over brand new experimental ones. Sometimes the boring truck ends up being the smartest buy.